2013 CLS 550. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then it's got rear converters. And then it's got a X pipe that we just installed. Took the resonator out and put an X pipe in its place. And he brought it in earlier in the month. And we did a muffler delete on it. Right there and right there. There's the X pipe setup. Anytime you take the resonators off on a true dual, you want to put an X pipe. Cleans it up, makes it sound good, clean. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Give it gas. Much better. Coffee water. That's what I need. All right, back it up. Just wait till you get on it and it kicks in.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's still in eco mode.
It is.
Yeah. Put it in sport mode.
Put a sport mode on, yeah.
Give it gas. Hold on.
Watch
Watch this.